In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to arrange in fact, to connect a simple gas bottle, exchange a gas bottle and connect it. So it's not difficult at all. Yes, you have to get your gas bottle, use gas bottle untied, use this screw to untie it. Okay, then you get the gas bottle with gas in it, and then you send it around. Then go and you have to connect it. It's a little process. So we'll have to remove this lead protector. Most of the times I use a knife. You can use any other thing. If you have power, you can screw your hand and remove it. Yes, but I don't have any power. Yes, so you can use a knife and just cut it off. And hold it now and remove it. Make sure the gas bottle is perfectly locked in order to save damage. Then we come to the most delicate step. Make sure this is perfectly, if you don't want any gas leakage, you make sure this is perfectly set. You make sure when you're on a line, you have aligned your span, your wheel. You turn anti-clockwise. When you can't turn it no longer with your hand, you use this helper. It comes with your gas tube. When you're finished tying it, you just open it slightly. You're gonna hear some noise. This gas passing. And then now to test if the gas is not leaking. To test if the gas is not leaking, you lit it up. If you don't see any traces of gas there, that means it's fine. Thank you very much for watching.